Go.
Hello, kids. I'm reading this funny little book called The Lightning Thief. Who steals lightning? Nerds, that's who.
Carl, you're a nerd.
No one asked you, Jimmy. Chapter 1. I accidentally vaporized my pre-algebra teacher. Look, I didn't want to be a half-blood. If you're reading this because you think you might be one, my advice is close this book right now. Believe whatever lie your mom or dad told you about your birth and try to lead a normal life. Being a half-blood is dangerous. It's scary, and there are no croissants. Most of the time, it gets you killed in nasty, painful ways.
Okay.